Hey, Sarah. Long time no see. How have you been?
Hey, Ollie. I'm doing well. Yeah, it has been a long time. Where have you been?
Honestly, I've been really busy with studies and family stuff. What about you?
Same here. College assignments are giving me so much stress these days.
I can understand. Sometimes life feels too busy, right?
Exactly. Sometimes I just want a break from everything.
Same. By the way, what do you usually do when you feel stressed?
I listen to music or watch funny videos. It helps me relax. What about you?
I usually go for a walk or talk to my friends. Talking really helps me feel better.
That's true. Good friends make life easier.
Absolutely. Friends are important. Without friends, life would be boring.
Absolutely. Friends are important. Without friends, life would be boring.
True. Imagine having no one to share your problems with.
Exactly. By the way, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. I might stay home and watch a movie. What about you?
I'm thinking about learning something new online.
Really? Like what?
Maybe improving my English speaking skills. I want to speak more confidently.
That's a great idea. Practice every day and you'll improve quickly.
I hope so. Sometimes I feel nervous when speaking English.
Don't worry. Everyone makes mistakes at first. Practice makes perfect.
You're right. I think I just need more confidence.
Exactly. Confidence is very important when learning a language.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I try to practice at least 30 minutes daily. Sometimes I watch English videos too.
That sounds interesting. Which kind of videos do you watch?
Mostly daily life conversations and podcasts. They really help with pronunciation.
That's smart. Maybe I should start watching English podcasts too.
You definitely should. It helps you understand real conversations.
Sometimes I know the words, but I still feel nervous while speaking.
That happens to many people. The key is to keep speaking without fear.
You make it sound easy.
It's not easy, but practice helps a lot.
True. By the way, what's your biggest dream in life?
I want to become successful and make my parents proud. What about you?
I want to travel the world and have a successful career.
Wow, traveling sounds exciting. Which country do you want to visit first?
Maybe the United Kingdom or Canada, because I want to improve my English too.
That's amazing. I would love to travel someday as well.
Hopefully, one day we'll achieve our dreams.
Of course. We just have to work hard and stay positive.
You know, sometimes I worry about my future.
Really? Why do you feel that way?
I don't know. Sometimes I feel confused about what I want to do in life.
That's normal. Many people feel confused about their future.
Do you ever feel worried too?
Of course. Sometimes I think too much about studies and career.
Exactly. It feels like there's so much pressure.
Yes, but I believe everything gets better with time and hard work.
I hope so. I just want a happy and successful life.
And you will have one. You're hardworking and positive.
Thanks, Sarah. Your words always motivate me.
I'm just being honest. Friends should support each other.
True. By the way, what do you usually do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books, listening to music, and sometimes cooking. What about you?
I mostly watch videos, play games, and spend time with family.
Sounds fun, but don't spend too much time on games.
I know. My parents say the same thing.
Parents always want the best for us.
That's true. We should appreciate them more.
Absolutely. Family is one of the most important things in life.
You know, I was thinking about trying something new this month.
Oh, really? What do you want to try?
Maybe joining a gym or learning a new skill online.
That sounds great. Learning new skills is always a good idea.
Yeah, I don't want to waste my free time anymore.
I understand. Sometimes we spend too much time scrolling on our phones.
Exactly. I tell myself just 5 minutes, and suddenly 2 hours are gone.
That happens to me too. Social media can be really distracting.
So true. I think we should make a daily routine.
That's a smart idea. A good routine can help us stay focused.
What's your daily routine like?
Well, I wake up early, study for a while, help my family, and then relax in the evening.
Wow, you sound very organized. My routine is all over the place.
Don't worry, you can improve it slowly.
I'll try. Maybe I should start waking up earlier.
Yes, waking up early makes the day feel more productive.
You always have useful advice.
Thank you. I just like helping my friends.
I'm lucky to have a friend like you.
Oh, thank you. I'm lucky to have a good friend too.
By the way, what do you think is the secret to success?
I think hard work, patience, and never giving up are the biggest secrets.
That makes sense. Sometimes people want success too quickly.
Exactly. Good things take time. We just have to stay consistent.
I agree. I want to become better every day and make my family proud.
That's a beautiful goal. I'm sure your family will always support you.
I hope so. Life feels easier when people believe in you.
Very true. And remember, believing in yourself is important too.
Thanks, Sarah. Talking to you always makes me feel motivated.
I'm glad to hear that. Friends should encourage each other.
So, what's your plan for tomorrow?
I'll probably finish my assignments and maybe watch a movie in the evening. What about you?
I want to organize my study routine and practice English for an hour.
That sounds like a good plan. Keep practicing and don't give up.
I won't. Maybe one day I'll speak English fluently.
Of course you will. Just believe in yourself and keep learning.
Thanks for the motivation, Sarah.
Anytime, Ali. Friends are always there to help each other.
All right. I should go now.
Take care and see you soon. You too. Stay positive and have a great day. Bye.